We as Matrix is a mime team. It was born in 2009 with the blessings of Mithran Devanesan and my mentor in mime, Uday Prakash. We have collaborated with mostly every theatre group in Chennai, including AVAM, Stay Factory, Madras Players. We as a team did our first theatre production named Viduran. It was staged for about 10 times in Chennai within a period of 3 months. We in Matrix always wanted to promote this art form.
Mime is all about a very fundamental way of acting wherein it evolved ages before. On the viewer's front, it's universal and it's global. It has no language, it's the only body language and facial expressions blended together.
Matrix Circus is basically a theatre production done as a tribute to Charlie Chaplin.
Person in which, according to us, a great mummer was there, but he was shown to the outside world as a creator, as an artist. But we in Matrix, and I personally as a director of this circus, feel that this tribute, a small tribute from a small theatre group in Chennai, would please the soul of Charlie Chaplin. A romantic mime for the first time, in which both the tramp and the female lead will be involved in stunts. எப்படி அவங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் காதல்ல விழுறாங்க, அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன நடக்குது, அதுதான் நம்ம இந்த சர்க்கஸ் மூலமா பார்க்க போறோம்.
So I have written the screenplay for the play along with Victor. It's basically based on a movie, The Circus, released in 1928, written and directed by Charlie Chaplin. So we have taken the line of the story and recreated and reworked the entire screenplay of the story, and we are trying to create it in mime and body theatre.
We have adapted certain shots and frames from the film so that people would be able to connect themselves as though they are watching the film live on stage.
So one basic challenge when we started the screenplay was we are trying to adapt a movie into a theatre play, so that played a very vital role. And the play is basically about what if Charlie Chaplin comes to present day Chennai, and how Charlie Chaplin reacts to present day Chennai scenario is what the USB of the play is all about.
We have scheduled it in such a way that we create parts of the mime first and then collaborate it with music and sync it to give a whole performance.
This is a team of 50